Hi, I'm LaShonda. I am the Student Parent Resource Coordinator at Metro State. I manage the Food for Thought Pantry and the Student Parent Resource Center, the day-to-day operations. I'm also an alumni and I'm also a graduate student and look forward to graduating in December. The Safe Emergency Grant is for students who are experiencing an unforeseen emergency financial disruption, an emergency that they were not prepared for, an unexpected expense that they are unable to pay. We have had several students reach out for assistance with paying with their rent, paying their mortgage, or they were in a bad car accident and lost their job and they're no longer able to work. So they're pretty much at their wits' end, and so we're assisting those students that we don't want their education being disrupted because they're not able to pay their rent, pay their mortgage, and so we do provide that assistance. The Student Parent Resource Center and Food for Thought Pantry is a safe space, and so we do have the motto that no shame. We are glad to be able to help students that go through those emergency financial situations, and we are needing more assistance. This department, when it comes to basic needs and wanting to students to still be active and engaged in their studies, it's the best fund to invest in. It's greatly appreciated by the Metro State students, as they do thank me for having the opportunity to apply, but also that their need is being met. I hope you consider giving to the max on Thursday, November 17th to the Metro Safe Emergency Fund. The students at Metro greatly appreciate all you've done and all that you will continue to do throughout this year. Thank you for giving. Thank you.